So let's start the third chapter, that is tools of financial statement analysis, which is having comparative statements and common size statements. Now in this, basically, what is the tools of financial statement analysis we should understand first. Tools are basically the statements or the analytical things like ratios or other statements which helps in comparison of various data of an organization or of a company. Okay, like financial statements, if analyzed in isolation, individually are not of much use because the results of analysis are not comparable, but they are thus analyzed by comparing with the financial statements of various years, previous years, or of some base year, so that the present performance of the company can be analyzed with the past performance, and can be analyzed that whether the present performance is better as compared to the past performance, or whether the present performance of the company is getting worse as compared to the past performance. Okay, so in this, basically the tools of analysis are the comparative statements, common size statements, ratio analysis, and cash flow statement, as you can see on the screen. These are the tools of financial statement analysis. As you can see the screen, comparative statement, common size statements, then comes this ratio analysis and cash flow statement. All these are the tools of financial statement analysis. Through these statements and these ratios, we analyze the performance of the company. Okay.